So today we're on our 7th day of flying the new drone, and it's a beautiful day again today. It's +4, and we have a slight breeze coming from here to there, and a beautifully blue sky. Takeoff. Dang, radio is weak already. It's too close for comfort. Something I may have taken for granted with the DJI FPV system is how well the exposure stays uniform. Here I'm flying right into the sun and then turning away, and the picture does not get light and dark. It's just great. And that SD card died as well. I've again reformatted my SD card, this time actually using the air unit, and fingers crossed that it will work. Here I completely lost orientation and basically fell out of the sky. Well, we were disarmed and now we have to go hunt for the unit. I haven't got a clue where it is. Well, this brings to conclusion day 7, flying the new drone. And as you can tell by the end of that last clip, it screwed up in that last aerobatic loop and hit the trees. Took a while to find the drone, but there it is. So after that last flight and crashing into the trees, on returning home and inspecting the drone, I realized that I didn't get away scot-free. On the drone, I broke 2 of these little clips that hold the props on. And surprisingly, none of the props broke. But when I actually purchased the snail motors, I was fortunate enough to actually buy spare clips at the same time, so I'll be able to fix this very easily. And if you have the same situation and you cannot find these clips, surprisingly, you could use ones from a Phantom 4, because they're the same clips. They use a different kind of spring mechanism, but they'll fit on these snail motors just as well. Anyway, thanks for watching my clips, and we'll see you in the future.